what can I say, Hot Shoe Dance Company is where I began. They say dreams come true, and I think my dreams have come true because of Jeffrey Warden. And I have to thank him for it because he's been my Guruji, he's been my father, he's been my friend, soulmate, I think all in one. And I've been blessed to be a part of his life and his journey through this. 30 years in the dance industry, I think is quite a long time, and he's achieved more than anybody else can in this field of dance. And it's amazing from where he started to where he is today. Thankfully enough, I've been blessed to become a producer after being his dancer. I started my dancing career with you, Jeff, and today I'm an actress, and that's also because of him, because my first movie was based on dancing, and he also played my partner in the movie, and I couldn't have asked for more. I think Hot Shoe Dance Company, I think, is a company that brings dancers from all walks of life together and makes their dreams come true, because Jeff does shows and has been doing shows for the last, 30 years, like you know, and every show there are new dancers, there are dancers being experienced, the dancers getting experience, experienced dancers dancing with us, newbies, a lot of people dancing with us. And when it comes to actors, singers, I think Jeffrey has given lives to most people, because everybody has started their career somewhere with a link to Hot Shoe Dance Company, whether it's me or Andrea or Aishwarya who's a singer, or Arjun Thomas or any of the singers, all play actors that have come into the industry because of him. And I must thank him for that, because I think he's like a little unknowingly, he's like a talent, a talent finder, and he finds talent and puts it out there for people to see. Thank you, Jeff, for being as wonderful as you are. You've been more than anything else I can explain in words to me, and you already know that. And Hot Shoe Dance Company rocks.
Okay, I've been coming to Jeff's class since my 8th grade, and I've lost like 25 kgs because of it. The reason I love Jeff is that every day his choreo is different. He has so much of energy, and he's so awesome. He's like so fit and so young, and I don't know, it's just so interesting, and the crowd is like awesome. Like everybody has so much of energy, and I don't know, I love kickboxing, I love jam, and I love his step. It's like every day there's like something different to do. It's just not monotonous, and I hate monotony, and this is definitely not monotonous. And it doesn't feel like a workout, it feels like a fun dance class, but you're losing weight at the same time. So